First you have to go into the woods. Then you have to find some mushrooms. But if you're seeking morels, it has to be a certain time of the year. In Nebraska, the morel season coincides with 2 rainy and sunny weeks, occurring sometime between the months of April and May. We gathered 22 pounds of morel mushrooms along the Platte River on May 3rd, 2014. You can cook them many different ways: battered and fried, sautéed in butter, steamed with rice, scrambled with eggs. We are cooking these morels by dipping them in an egg and then tossing them in saltine cracker crumbs, then dropping them in hot butter. But any method is good when they're fresh.